So I'm going to teach you one of my favourite spelling games that you can play. The first thing you need is a whiteboard or a piece of paper, and you need to draw a 3x3 grid on there. This game is a little bit like noughts and crosses or tic-tac-toe that you may have played before. So, game for 2 players, and each player will need a different colour pen. So before you start, you need to decide on your rule for the game. And in this case, it's going to be any word with a double letter in. So player 1 goes first, says the word they're going to use. So let's have happiness. And they decide which of the sections they're going to put their word in. Next, it's player 2's turn. Player 2 might say, for example, football. It's got 2 lots of double letters in there. And back to player 1 again. So the idea is to try to get 3 in a row or 3 in a diagonal. Can't do that this time. So maybe we're going to try this one. So let's have shopping. And then player 2's turn might want to block player 1. So let's have feet. Now, as you can see, everyone's had a turn. They've had the same number of turns, but nobody is a winner. And the idea is now to find the winner is that you count up the letters that is in each colour. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. So in this game, blue has won, and it's good to encourage this so that children choose longer words rather than just going for all of the easy words. Having said that though, it may be that your child is just using the early words, and that's absolutely fine. You can choose the winner as you wish. So you can use this game with any spelling list or any spelling pattern. And it might be that you also spell words that have been in the words of the week in order to reinforce those and explain how you remember them as you're writing them. So this game can also be used in other curriculum areas. For example, if you were using it in maths, you could think we're only going to use it for numbers in the 5 times table, multiples of 5, or we're going to put prime numbers in, or 3-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes, for example. And the same rules apply. Player 1 has one colour and writes their word in. So if we were doing 3D shapes, we've got cube and we've got cuboid. And so on. Or you can use it for science, for example. Maybe you're learning the parts of the water cycle or the different parts of a plant, and you would write those in the same way. Three in a row there. So you can see this can be used in lots of different curriculum areas.